Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This is Teacher Raya from Ali Mohab's Math. We're going to do question 4a from NECTA 2019 Form 4 math paper. This question is about geometry, coordinate geometry specifically. Feel free to read the question and then pause the video, have a go on your own first, and then come back and check the solution. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we're told to find the equation of a line which passes through the point A -3, 4 and which is parallel to the line 3x plus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. So we have line 1. Let's call this one line 1. We don't know what this one is, but we know it's going through this point A -3, 4. So we know a point about line 1. And then we've got line 2, which is given as 3x plus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now, if two lines are parallel, what does that mean? It means we are given the information about gradients. So when two lines are parallel, their gradients are equal. So that means we have M1 is equal to M2. Now we have equation of a line for line 2. This means we can get gradient for this line by rearranging. So what we want to do is rearrange it in this form, which is the general form for the equation of a straight line. So M is a gradient. So if we rearrange this L2 then, so I'm going to do it over here, we have a 3x plus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. So I need to subtract 3x and add 15 both sides, and that will give me 4y equals to negative 3x plus 15. I just have 0 on this side. But again, it's not in this form yet. I don't want 4y. You need to have it as y only. So you need to divide by 4 throughout, and that will give you y equals to negative 3 over 4x plus 15 over 4. So this means the M2 is equal to negative 3 over 4, which means M1 is equal to negative 3 over 4. So now we have the gradient for line 1, and we have also a point, which means if we write this as like this is for line 1, then y is equal to negative 3, 4x, and we don't know what is the y-intercept is, because C is the y-intercept. But we have a point for line 1, so we can sub in the values. So we've got this point A -3, 4. We can put those in, so put y as a 4 and x as -3, and then the only unknown will be the C, which is the y-intercept. So we're going to sub in this value in this lot here. So y is a 4, so 4 is equal to -3 over 4. X is -3, so we're going to put -3 in here, plus 6. So let's simplify this further. So 4 is equal to -3 times -3 is 9. So this part would be 9 over 4, and then plus C. Okay, so we need to get rid of this 4 by multiplying by 4 throughout then. So this will give you 16. So 4 times 4 is 16 equals to 9 over 4 times 4. This will give you 9 plus 4c times 4 is a 4c. So we are looking for c here. We need to rearrange. So 4c is equal to 16 take away 9 is 7. So this means c is equal to 7 over 4. So now we have the gradient for line 1, and we also have the y-intercept for line 1. We can put them in and write them in this form. So for L1, then the equation of this line is going to be y equals to, we know the gradient is -3/4x, and we now know the y-intercept is 7/4, so it's plus 7/4. So this is the equation of this line that is going through the point -3/4. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye for now.